Hello, beautiful people. We are going to be discussing the main difference between box braids and crochet braids. A lot of clients have been asking what the main difference is, so let's go ahead and dive in. When it comes to crochet, we take your natural hair and I have to braid it down. We choose a particular braiding pattern based on the hairstyle and the way you want it to look. And then I'd be taking the hair and individually crocheting it into the braid. It offers a very short amount of time compared to box braids to install, about 2 hours, and you can try a bunch of different styles. So if you want to try out new things, crochet is the best way to go. Now, when it comes to actual box braids, I am taking sections of your individual hair and we're braiding it into the braiding hair. This gives more versatility when it comes to the way that you want to style your hair, whether it's half up, half down, whether you want to do something more natural. Box braids do last longer than crochet, about 6 to 8 weeks compared to about 3 to 4 weeks for crochet, but braiding box braids does take longer. So I hope this helps.